Can you guess what we're talking about today based off that intro and obviously the title? You got it, viral memes. And today we're going to show you exactly how to make them. Welcome to Memology 101. First, let's define what a meme is and why they can be super helpful in driving brand awareness and increasing engagement on Instagram. A meme is a piece of content that's used to convey a relatable sentiment to an audience. This can be anything from a pop culture moment like this iconic interaction between Emma Chamberlain and Jack Harlow, or a video of a cat sitting like a human. For your brand or business, that means leveraging these moments to join in on global conversations. Memes can be videos or static images, but typically they feature some text personalized to your specific point of view. They're great because they're universally understood and easily adaptable to any niche. To prove that memes really can be a viable part of your content strategy, let's break down one of our highest performing viral memes. So you might have seen this viral video going around of Drew Barrymore running and dancing in the rain. It's a work of art if I do say so myself. Our social team saw this video popping up a lot on Instagram and Twitter and thought, this has really good viral meme potential. First, we had to think about what emotions this video conveyed: joy, excitement, relief, fun. Then we thought about how these feelings could relate to our audience, mainly social media managers, small businesses, and creators. After that, we asked ourselves, what are some moments working in social media specifically where we would feel any of those emotions? And eventually we landed on this. Not only was this a relatable topic for our audience, but it also gave us an opportunity to showcase the value and shamelessly plug one of our latest product features, link in bio. Plus, the analytics prove it. This video meme got over 68,000 views and over 189,000 impressions, with more than 75% of those being non-followers. That means we're landing on the Instagram Explore page or popping up as suggested content, which is a great way to gain new followers and build your community. In general, this is the process we follow to source and brainstorm our memes that we then end up using on Instagram stories, videos, and static posts. So let's get to it. How can you make Instagram memes that go viral? Step number 1, find inspiration online. Viral memes don't just fall from the sky. You have to know where to look. One of the easiest ways to get in the meme mindset is by following Instagram pages like @SaintHoax, @MignonetteTakesPictures, and Sarcasm Only. We also recommend keeping an eye on entertainment and celebrity accounts like Dermois, who are always on top of trending pop culture moments. Once you've found a meme or a photo with meme potential, it's time to start brainstorming. A little pro tip: start interacting, saving, and engaging with memes you come across on your feed and discovery pages. Not only is it a great way to have some inspiration in your back pocket, but it's also key to teaching your algorithm exactly what content you're looking for. So, less searching, more memes falling into your lap. Step number 2, making the meme. Let's talk about creating static memes. Once you've sourced your meme, it's time to establish your personal twist. Like we mentioned earlier, think of creative ways you can spin a meme to be targeted to your specific audience, whether that be a hot take in your industry or a trending topic. Then write out your text. The name of the game is simplicity. Don't overthink it. When it comes to creating your meme, never underestimate the power of a meme generator. Sites like ImageFlip, Mematic, and Imgur let you add your own unique spin to an existing meme super easily. At Later, we like to stick with Instagram fonts, our brand colors, and use our own branded templates so that our audience can recognize a Later meme whenever they see one. If you want to recreate a simple meme like this using Instagram fonts, head to your Instagram app and go to Create a Story. Then, take a photo of anything and fill the background with white by tapping on the 3 dots in the top right, selecting Draw, and holding your finger down anywhere on the screen. Then, type out the text you'll be using on the meme one by one. Choose a font color that aligns with your brand and be sure to toggle on a background. Then just click on the 3 dots in the top right corner again and hit save. Now we need to remove the white background and swap it with a transparent one. To do this, download the Magic Eraser app, tap Photo, upload your text image, crop it down, and hit Done. Then tap anywhere on the background and click Save. You can then hit the PNG option and download the high resolution version. Now use a photo editing software of your choice, let's say Canva, upload your meme and all of your PNG text images and place them throughout your meme. Once your artwork is complete, export your image and upload it to Instagram. And just like that, you've created your first static meme. You can create video memes with moving text in a similar way, but lucky for you, we've got a whole video tutorial on that too, right over here. For more tips and tricks on how to make memes and best practices, we'll link our full blog post in the description box below. Catch you later, and may the memes be ever in your favor.